America and the western capital of eastern capital of the Pacific Rim. We have at once 3 top 25 universities graduating more engineers here than Stanford and Berkeley combined, more than any place in the country. We have design and creativity in our DNA. And we have incredible topography. You can test a car, an idea, whether it's on the mountains, whether it's by the beach. You can have a feel of the entire world in one city. We speak over 220 languages, come from over 155 countries. So if you have a car or an idea or a story and you want to test it, just come to Los Angeles and you've tested it on the world. But we see some of the old ways of us doing things don't work for modern life. Whether it's the fact that our success as a city growing, many people have asked me, are you going to fall into the fates of other cities? And I said, no, Los Angeles continues to grow. We continue to attract dynamism from around the world. Our problem isn't going bankrupt or other challenges that other cities have faced. Our challenge is to reinvent ourselves, to show the world that here in the car capital of the world, we can make mobility a priority once again, and that we can use technology to do it. I'll give you an example. In Hollywood, I used to represent as a council member, a neighborhood that a decade and a half ago you wouldn't have been caught dead in, a place where Hollywood Vine was the punchline to jokes. It's now roared back. We focused economic development. We brought Hollywood back to Hollywood, and it's an exciting, dynamic place to be. But with that came more traffic in the central area of Hollywood. When we did a study, 30% of that traffic was people looking for a place to park, circling the block. None of us have ever done that in this room, I know, but occasionally people will look and look and look. Well, we had one of the first smartphone apps that put a mesh network down, put sensors in the ground on the street parking, and for the first time from your smartphone, in real time you could find where parking was in Hollywood. You see, the old or analog way of dealing with the problem was something that I first set out doing. So people said, we don't have enough parking. So we found a piece of land, we started building on it. It took $30 million to build 500 spaces in just 7 years. But for $30,000, we built out this mesh network and the sensors, and we're able to get people exactly where they wanted to be. Park your car so you can go meet your friends for a drink, for dinner, for a show,